Hey guys, so your girl is back with another video, and today's video is going to be how I melt my lace front wig featuring Subella hair. So let's get right into it. So right here I am just putting on my wig, and I'm going to be using the Ghost Bond XL to just glue it down. I really do love this glue because it lasts for a couple days. Like, honestly guys, this wig is by far one of my best lace wig adhesive. And notice how, guys, I am not using a wig cap. Don't judge me. I'm not using one because I don't have one right now, but I'm just going to work with what I have, and I'm going to be using my blow dryer to dry the glue. And this is pretty much explanatory, so I'm just gonna shut up now. So now I'm just going to be styling my edges using the Got To Be Glued in the black tube. And this was really hard, guys, because doing baby hairs is really not that easy. But I'm using a comb to do the baby hairs because I feel like it's a lot easier for me. And yeah. So now I am just going to detangle the wig. Making sure that the wig is not tangled. As you guys can see, I don't have any problems with tangling. But look at how natural this wig looks like, y'all. It looks super nice. And it's super long and full. And y'all, I just washed this wig. Like, I actually did a really good co-wash. I would definitely recommend co-washing your wigs because that will revive the wig. But doesn't it look cute? Like, yes. I'm actually going to an interview. That's why I told you guys I have to go. So I'm not going to keep my hair looking like this. I'm actually going to do wand curls. I'm going to be using some oil. This is just, I think this is safflower oil. It's for anti-breakage. I'm only going to be using a tiny drop of this oil, mainly on the ends because the ends do get really brittle and dry. So you want to make sure that you're adding a little bit. I honestly think it looks cute just like this. So I'm going to go ahead and use my curling wand. The curling wand that I'm using is this Canon curling wand. I forgot the inches on this curling wand, but this is how it looks like. Guys, so this is how my hair looks like. As you guys can see, it looks way better than before. See, the hair is super duper full and very flowy. I would recommend using a conditioner to co-wash the wig. That will basically just bring it back to life, and that's what I actually did last night. So this is how the hairline looks like close up and everything. It looks really nice, and really do like it. But that is how the hair looks like. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this. But that's pretty much it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, and also hit that subscribe button if you are new to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video.